what we're trying to do on a lot of cars is just hit the unlock button. So we're just trying to put something in, hit that. If we can't get that, then we aim for pulling this up. So if we can't get the electric switch, we pull this up, or we try pulling the handle to open up the door. Won't work on the GMs though. You got to have this up or hit the button here. There's the jack tool, one-hand jack. There, bag it. Push it in more. Okay. There you go. It's got a little piece of plastic in there, helps you push it in. Now release the pressure on the airbags and then open the door. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.